going to do some testing on this tumble dryer motor. So obviously it's capacitor driven, or start, run. Looks like it's got 2 windings on it. Obviously one that's got the capacitor fitted to it. So I'm just going to test between the 2 windings. So I'm going to put it onto continuity. Check the leads. And just test between all 3 wires. I'm not sure if you can see that yet. That one's 36 ohms. That one's 69. And that one's 33. So looks like you've got 2 30 ohm wiring and then one that's 60. So that seems pretty good. So now I'm going to test between all 3 in earth and make sure there's no reading. So you've got no leakage to earth. So we know we've got 2 good windings, no leakage to earth. Now we'll go to capacitance. Just check the capacitor. It says 8 microfarads. And it is 6.57. It's plus or minus 5%, so I'd say that capacitor is about gone. So that looks like a problem.